In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an invisible join in crochet when working in the round. This avoids the unsightly knot that you get when you're usually joining up. So instead of joining with a slip stitch to the first stitch, we are going to cut the yarn before we even think about doing anything. Don't slip, don't do anything else, don't fasten off. Keep that just exactly the way it was, but draw up your cut yarn on through, so essentially it leaves this stitch live. Then you're going to drop my needle. Thread your needle, which has the advantage of getting one of the yarns joined in anyway, and instead of putting your hook where you would normally join into the top two loops of the first stitch, you're going to go to the second stitch over. We're going to ignore that first stitch. Put your needle in through where you would likely work a stitch. Put your needle through front to back. Draw that over. Into the back loop only of the last stitch of the round, put your needle through from front to back. And when you're joining that up, watch this as it moves, it's going to create an extra stitch. It's a false stitch. At the minute it'll still move like that. If you just draw that in and draw it in a little bit closer than it would normally need to be, and while you're here, flip your work over and sew that end in. And when you're pulling it here, be mindful that you can still, decrease and increase the shape of that false stitch. Sew your end in. You can then trim that off. And your work has no difference between the stitches. So they all look the same. And that takes away that, I can't even see where I did that. It takes away the knot that you normally get in working in rounds, so that there's no obvious start and stop to any of the rounds. You can give that a go. You can, when you're working squares or circles, give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.